Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you guys. I was able to get my hands on one of the TELFAR bags. I know it's been crazy to get those bags because it's been sold out ever since they got popular. They've been out for a very long time, but now I guess everybody's like kind of on it. I am too, I can't lie. I saw the bag before, but I just didn't know what bag it was until like a few months ago. I kind of learned about the brand. They're black owned, and I was like, I need one, and I was able to get my hands on one. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and we're gonna unbox the bag. Okay, so I ordered this bag on the 15th of July 15th, and the bag came the 16th. It came the next day. I was kind of excited about that. I was like, 1-day shipping, like I didn't have to pay for that. Like maybe because they're local, maybe, but I was just like, that's a plus in my books. I'm not mad at that. So here's the package. I ordered the small TELFAR bag. That retails for about $150. I'll put a little screenshot here. But I'm very excited. I don't know what it looks like in person. Like I never actually held one in my hand before. So this is gonna be a first, my natural reaction, and let's go. So this is it. And we're gonna unbox it right now. 1 second. Okay, so here we go. This is the box it came in. This is the paperwork, but we just gonna block out what we need to block out, because the girl. And this is the bag. No crazy packaging. This is the box. That's it. And now we're gonna open the bag. I love me a good dust bag, so I'm very happy this came with a dust bag. I'm guessing this is the size 0. As you can see, size 0. That's the dust bag. Has the logo in front. And I'm gonna take out the bag. I'm so excited. Don't know what it looks like in person. Oh, it's so small. Oh, it is so cute. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna change the camera angle back to me, but I'm so excited. It's so cute. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. This bag is so cute. Oh my god, look how small it is. Like, it just fits in my hand so perfect. It's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so this is it. The stitching on it is good. I don't know if you could see that, but I really like it. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in. The detailing on the bag. The stitching is good. And this bag is vegan leather. It's not real leather. Yeah, it doesn't smell like real leather. On the site states it's vegan leather, so that's good. All my vegan lovers. Logo. I'm gonna show you the tag. Has a little sticker in it. I don't know what this is, but this is the tag. Hold on. That's the tag. This is the front of the tag. And damn, I don't want to pop this thing, but I'm weird like that. Okay, I'm just gonna pop it off. I'm gonna show you inside the bag. Inside the bag is a logo tag and TELFAR 2005 little tag right here, and it has a little hook. That's cute. I like when my bags hook. I don't like when people try to get cute and slip their hands in my bag, but and it has a crossbody strap. It's a double crossbody strap. That's cute. Only one on each side, and a handbag strap. I'm a fan of a handbag strap. I like to hold my bags like this. I'm actually gonna stuff the bag and show you what it looks like, not like flop down and like this. But so far, I'm in love with it. I really like it. I really like it. It's so cute. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stuff it for you. Give me 1 second. Okay, I tried to stuff it. Didn't feel out too much, but it's okay. I absolutely love this bag. It's soft. It's really soft to the touch. Very soft. I don't know what else to say about it. It's really a simple bag. Like, that's another thing what I like about it. It's very simple. It's very simple. You can pretty much wear it with anything. I'm in love. I love it. I don't know what else to say. Like, I really don't. Size, it's perfect. I'm a sucker for small bags, and it's in my field. It's in my lane. This bag was meant for me. This is my bag. This is my bag. But for real, I'm in love with it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. Like crossbody in my hands. I'm gonna stand up. You know, excuse the gut if we looking a little crazy. Quarantine got the best of me, so yeah. I also wanted to add that I got super lucky with this. You have to put on notifications if you want to know when they release, because you never know when they're gonna release. So I got the notification at 10 o'clock, and I happened to look at my my email at 10:03, and it said the black one restock, and I clicked on it, and I was just like, other colors and sizes were restocked as well, but I got super lucky with this black one. So I just had to add that in there. You literally have to be on point to get this bag. Like, you have to be on point. They sell out so fast. Like, you have to be on point. Final thoughts. I like dust bags. That's a plus. So I'm happy that it came with a dust bag. And overall bag, it's super soft. I feel like it's versatile. You could wear it around you. You could wear it around your shoulder. You could wear it on your hand. It's a cute little date bag, or if you're just running around with your girls, you don't need too much. Or if you have a cute little outfit and you don't want to do too much, this is like the perfect bag. Like, this bag is honestly perfect. I love it. You can make your own opinions about it once you get your hands on one, or if you like the video and you get like an idea of the bag. But I'm a fan. I love it. I'm happy. I'm glad I bought it. And yeah, that kind of concludes this video. If you guys enjoy my reviews, please let me know. I'll review more things, or just let me know what you like in general, and I'll do more of it. But I have fun doing whatever. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
They really fucked up when I found out my worth. I just leveled up and I doubled my worth. I bake on my bank and I'm back in my berg. I'm back on my woo. I bake on my bank and I'm back in my berg. I bake on my bank and I'm back on the works.